for your grandfather, Dr. Johannes van Schalkwyk and his wife Estelle, it was a exciting time because they found themselves here.
Yes.
Let's talk about this amazing, beautiful guest house and holiday home that he created.
Yeah, well, we're very grateful to them. They used to come and camp. We've still got photos of them with the caravan over the old Montague Pass, pulling this caravan. And of course, all the holidays were at the lagoon, where there was skiing. There was no such thing as water surfing. Yeah, and I think the early days, we always had a huge respect for the sea. And I think 1933, they bought the place and built it. You'll see some of the photos there, my mother and her cousin. And then we added on when we sort of took over.
Vertel vir my, hoeveel mense kan hier so by julle kom kuier? En word dit as 'n eenheid of kan mense dit verdeel?
Ja, kyk, daar's 3 dele. It's got 3 double bedrooms, okay? One with a double bed, extra length, another one with a double bed, and then the 2 single beds here.
Jeff, ek kon vroeër in jou stem hoor toe dit breek, die trots wat jy het.
Ja.
Om te kan sê dat hierdie is deel van julle familie en jou oupa se harde werk.
Ja.
En ek hoop regtig die wonderlike herinneringe wat jy hierso gehad het as kind, dat soveel families in die toekoms ook hierso gaan kom om daai wonderlike herinneringe te skep vir hulle self.
Ek weet nie wat die Afrikaanse woord, but it's priceless.